multi-purpose solar panels for residential purposes. This is 5 kilowatt solar panel used for generating the electricity, and it is connected with a grid also. So we had 5 kilowatts connected load to our house, and we went for this 5 kilowatt solar panels. There are 16 panels and each are interconnected, and you can see the structure also. This structure we have kept it on the rooftop of our hall. Our hall used to be little warm in the summer because there was no room above the hall, and we have built this solar panel in such a way that we have this dummy type of roof above the hall. So these solar panels not only absorb the solar energy and generate the electricity, but also it prevents the direct sunlight falling onto the roof of this hall, so that the hall remains quite cool, and even in the summer we don't get that warmth of the sun heat. Hence it is serving dual purpose, and it can act also as a small party hall in the rooftop in the evening hours, so that we can sit and enjoy the mini party hall. This is this one solar panels, and this is the how the structure has been built, and it is anchored to the compound of the floor, so that it gives certain amount of strength and rigidity. It is saving us about 500 to 600 units of power per month. Our bill used to be about 3,500 rupees per month. Now our bill is almost zero. From past 4 months we have not received the electricity bill because our power consumption is almost equivalent to the power generated by these solar panels. And also the excess energy which is produced will be taken back by the electricity board, and we get the amount equivalent to the number of units generated by our electricity. So thank you very much for watching our video. I suggest every one of you to go for this solar energy, so that it is green energy. It prevents the pollution, it generates the electricity, and it indirectly helps the country to combat the electrical crisis, and also you get good amount of returns, almost 12 to 15% for the amount you have invested. This 5 kilowatt costs about 3 lakhs to 3.5 lakhs rupees, including the installation and all the other expenditure, panel cost, and also the charges done by the electricity board. So thank you very much for watching. I am Dr. Sharat Kumar.